What's Cooking brought to you by Brunswick.
Guys, welcome back to What's Cooking on CNC3. I'm Chef Ben. Tonight we're going to be making some tuna sliders. And to make those sliders, we're going to be using our Brunswick tuna, and we're using the chunk tuna in water. I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing that you want to do is open your can of tuna and drain the liquid out of it. Once you have your chunk tuna in a bowl, to it, we're adding some red onion. So this is about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped red onion. I also have just a little bit of chopped hot pepper and 2 chopped pimentos. Here I have 3 eggs. I've just given it a little bit of a whisk to break the yolks up. Next, I have some breadcrumbs, about a cup of breadcrumbs. Just pour it in there and mix it. So as you can see, our tuna has formed a nice thick texture, and this consistency is going to allow us to form it into patties and put it in our pan to cook. Okay guys, so I'm going to cook my tuna patties so we get a nice little sear on the sides of them. To a frying pan, I have it on medium-high heat, just a little bit of olive oil. Once your pan is nice and hot, you can go ahead and form your little patties for your sliders. The size of the patties are determined by the size of your bread. So I have some fairly small bread that I'm going to use, so I'm going to make my patties to suit that. See guys, that was really easy. Our tuna patties that we made using our Brunswick tuna chunk in water. I've put a little bit of herb butter on my bread and just a drizzle of some honey mustard for extra flavor. I hope you guys try this one at home. See you soon.
What's Cooking brought to you by Brunswick.